We made it, Kosciuszko National Park, -1 degrees. The infinity heat warmers are cranking because it is cold out here. We made it all the way here on snow mode, so super cruisy, easy drive. And we're going to cook up some beautiful creamy scrambled eggs loaded with Canberra truffles. And I think there's enough snow to even make some snow humans. Let's get going. Couple of tips when lighting a fire in nature. Always do your research and make sure that one, you're allowed to light a fire in the location you're at. Two, there's a fire level and a safety sort of band. Make sure that you get a green light. At the moment here, it's winter time, it's snowing, so there's no fire ban, so we're good to light a fire. And make sure when you leave that you take your coals with you, you put the fire out completely and cover it with soil to make sure it doesn't light up again.
To be by your side.
Trick to perfect scrambled eggs. Cook it low, cook it slow, move it, but don't move it too much. Eggs are a protein, so if you cook them too hard and too quick, they're firm. Butter, salt, pepper, you're good to go. Doesn't have to be hard. Oh, and if you've got truffles, load the truffles. Thanks for coming on our infinity journey, guys. From sand to snow. It's been so awesome. Amazing food, awesome adventures, good people. Make sure you tune into our next series from coast to coast as we head coast to coast, surfed, fish, forage, hopefully get some lobsters. Woo.